Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a chart in Figma. First, open a new design file and select the Frame tool to create your canvas. Decide on the type of chart you want to build, whether it's a bar, line, or pie chart, based on your data visualization needs. Clearly define your data points and categories to ensure accuracy and effective communication. This initial setup is crucial for a smooth design process. Now let's design the core elements. Use the Line tool to draw your X and Y axes, adding text layers for labels and values. For a bar chart, create rectangles. For a line chart, use the Pen tool. If you're making a pie chart, use the Arc tool. Employ Auto Layout to maintain consistent spacing and alignment, which is essential for a professional look. This step brings your data to life visually. Next, it's time to populate your chart with data and apply styling. Adjust the size of your bars or the position of your line points to reflect your actual data values. Select a color palette that is both visually appealing and accessible. Choose clear, legible fonts for all labels and titles. Consistency in styling, from colors to typography, is key to creating an understandable and engaging chart. Finally, let's refine and export your chart. Take a moment to review everything, ensuring all data is accurate and the design is visually balanced. Check for any misalignments or inconsistencies. Make small adjustments to colors, spacing, or text as needed. Once satisfied, export your chart in a format like PNG or SVG, ready to be shared or integrated into your projects.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.